So yesterday I set out to do some more studies of whatever is on my wall right now. I wanted to focus on things like this, which I did, but then I went overboard and I painted for a really long time and I ended up having so many pieces that I decided to split it into two. So today I'm presenting you the other half of what I did yesterday, and that other half was very different and went in a different direction. It went in like more of like a circle kind of direction. It's not strictly circles, but a lot of them are. So let's check them out. So there were a few things that were kind of like in a transition phase, like those big stripes of paint with the kind of like elongated, like the oval shapes. So that brought me to the circle. I feel like I'm going in the right direction, or at least a direction that I'm enjoying when it comes to a circle and a square with a texture inside the circle, with like rough edges. So I'm onto something there. And then I often have a tendency to want to put a contour line, like in pencil or charcoal, which is interesting to me, but I feel like there's something more that I could explore, and I'm getting there, but it's not yet matured. So I'm gonna have to do a bunch more circles at some point to figure it out. I think my favorite one is this one. I put some kind of medium on the canvas board that gave like a sandy effect. So that was interesting to me. I don't know, what's your favorite? If you have one, I'd be curious to know. And if you followed this challenge since the beginning, you saw that I did like eggs and I did abstract portraits. I tried a couple landscapes. I did those big blobs of black on white. I did like basically painting the whole canvas black and leaving some white spaces with rough edges. I did like a bunch of different things, and I'd be curious to know what your favorite thing is. Do you have something that you'd want to see more of? Are you curious to explore different things? Oh, I did the Rorschach kind of printing and all that stuff. Anyways, I'd be curious if you have any comments. They are super welcome. I want to know what other people find interesting, because whatever I find interesting is not necessarily the same things, you know. So I'm super open to reading your comments. I really love that, and I'll see you tomorrow for more abstract painting. We're doing this.